Hello and welcome to our grammar class. Today we have a new topic with us, composition. Composition, it has many topics to be covered. Let us see the first topic, report writing. Let us understand what is a report writing. A newspaper report is a description of an event or information that need to be shared. Now most of the time report writing you will get in the newspaper. The aim of report is to give us the information and to share the information with the public. It is written in the third person and perfectly uses the passive forms of the voice. As we know, in English we have two forms of voice, active and passive. For writing the report, we will use the passive forms of the verb. And we also use first person, second person and third person, but for writing the report, we will use the third person. It reports only facts and in order in which they are happened. Now here we cannot write anything on our own. Whatever is being the fact, only the facts has to be mentioned in this report writing, and that too it has to be in order how it happened. A good newspaper report has three main elements, starting with the first headline, leading phrases and article content. Here is an example of a report writing. Painting worth 2 crores is missing. Staff reporter. Here you will write the headline and here by whom it is reported. Mumbai 11 January. Famous industrialist and renowned artist had brought a 2 crore worth painting of the Scream at the art exhibition this Thursday. He was the highest bidder at the auction held by the exhibition's art guild. Overjoyed with the possession, the renowned industrialist got it framed in a gold gilded frame. In his lavish 60-roomed palatial bungalow was hung the expensive painting in the left wall of his living room. A lavish party was thrown in the evening in honor of the newcomer. However, the next morning the painting was gone. The police were informed. They are currently interviewing the staff of servants at the bungalow and the people who attended the party the previous evening. No trace has been found of the missing painting so far. Next topic is summary writing. Let us understand what is summary writing. It is a shortened version of a text or passage that highlights its main points or ideas. Herein you will have the full content of any passage or any story wherein you need to write the important or the highlights of the passage or the text given to you. It does not include one's own opinion, reaction or viewpoint. Now this is very important wherein we cannot write our opinion, our reaction or our viewpoints in this. Whatever is given in the passage or a text, that has to be included and written accordingly. Here are some steps to write a summary. Read and reread the passage. Identify the major sections of the text. Understand and write down the main points in each section. Summarize each part in one or two sentences. Put together all the main points and complete it. Here is a summary of an interesting story from a newspaper. A 10-year-old boy had 152 teeth in his mouth. It was such a shocking thing that I could not even imagine how it could happen. The doctors carried out a surgery and extracted all the excess teeth. The theory seems to be that radiation from a tower on top of their house could be the cause of the growth of these teeth. It does not only the sound strange but also shocking and scary. If the radiation from these mobile towers can do this to our body. Here is another summary, a story that you have read. I recently read Nightingale by Christine Hanna. It is a historical fiction. It is a story of two sisters living in France who react differently to the war waging in their country. They both showed courage but in different ways. Also, this one was based on a true story. It was about a woman who helped elite soldiers escape from Germany to Spain during World War II. But this book has more to it. It not only tells a very thrilling story about a girl, but also at the same time, it beautifully captures the emotional turmoil of people who have to live through those hard times. Also, the character development is really good. You root for the people in the story. It shows what people went through to keep their principles and moral alive when even survival was difficult. It shows how love is strongest emotion in the world, and if you have it in your heart, you can survive anything. That's all for today. Thank you.